Hey guys! Today we are going to be making a panda bear. We're first going to draw it using shapes, and then tomorrow we are going to add value to make our objects in our picture look 3D. Alright, so we're going to be using shapes to draw our panda bear. So to start with, we're going to start on the left side of the paper, and we're going to draw a circle for the head. Next, we're going to add two ears, and they're going to be a half circle shape, so the shape of a U. Kind of like little buns. Alright. From the top, we are going to start drawing the side of the body, and we're going to draw half a circle again. And one thing you'll note, when we finish your body, it should look almost like the circle's going all the way around because the arms will be down here. Alright, next we're going to have one arm, and we're going to do a rectangle, a curved rectangle shape for this first arm. We're going to leave that line away so that it looks like our arm is connected. And then we're going to add fingers, if you want. Alright, next we're going to add our back leg, and it's going to be kind of a triangle shape that's slightly curved. So this is our bottom of our triangle, and here's the top of our triangle, up and then down, and then you have your foot. Alright, so I'm going to keep my foot fairly simple. Alright, next we're going to start adding the branch. That way we can build the other side of our objects once we know our branch is. Our branch is also going to be a rectangle, so since it's going off the page, our rectangle, it's going to look like two long lines going across the page. Kind of like a horizon line, which is something we'll continue learning about. So going across, and then again, another one. And this one, we're going to have it close enough that the panda bear can reach around it, but far enough away that you can see it fully and clearly. Alright, next we are going to draw the two paws that you can see on the other side. So first we have the arm, and this is going to be another triangle shape. So we're going to have it kind of like, think about your circle, and that's where the triangle for the other arm is going to curve out. Remember, it's going to be a curved triangle, and then you've got your fingers. And then your other leg is also going to be a curved triangle, and it's going to come right around here, like it's wrapping itself around. There we go. Alright, so our panda bear, our shape for our panda bear is pretty much done. Just need to do a couple things like add eyes. Their eyes are surrounded by a big mark. Then they have their eyes on the inside. So draw an oval with a circle on the inside, kind of like two eggs. Alright. Then they have their little nose. And you can give it a smiley face if you want to. If not, don't worry about it. Alright. Around our bear, we want to develop what's around our bear. So I'm going to do a bamboo forest. You guys don't have to. You can do anything you want. But one thing we want to notice as we're drawing our decorations around our panda bear is we want things to overlap a little bit. That way it looks like they're going into space. So like this might be my front bamboo, like my panda bear's at the very front, which means everything else is going to go behind. So if I draw a bamboo right here, I'm going to skip over where the bamboo that the panda's laying on and continue off the page. Same thing for anything else. So if I add like leaves, like bamboo has leaves that come off of it, they might go off the page. or behind the objects. Like this one is going to go behind my panda bear. And then just keep adding until you feel your page is filled adequately. Okay. So for me, that feels like it's good. So our next step we're going to start tomorrow is adding color through value. So we're not just going to color this in. We're going to actually learn to make all of this look 3D.